Viewers, jam is in few this time. Just to remind you, but don't be panic. I am here to solve half of your problems. Now, let's look at this topic. Base. What do you understand by base? Now, base, there are some keywords that you need to know when you talk about what base. And I'm going to say that here in this video, so don't miss out. When we talk about base, base is a substance that neutralizes what acid to form what salt and water. How do I know a substance that neutralizes acid to form salt and water? Don't worry, there are two major things that you need to know that make a what base. One of it is what? One of these is oxide, and the other one is what? Hydroxide. The next thing is what? Metal. This is what we call base. Base is oxide, hydroxide, and what? Metal. The three things that form base. What do I mean? Any metal, any oxide of metal is a base. Any oxide, that is oxygen combined with a metal, is what? Is a base. Do you understand? Oxygen combined with what? Oxide here means oxygen. Oxygen combined with metal is what? A base. Do you understand? Hydroxide combined with metal, or it could be non-metal, okay, it form what we call what? Base. Do you understand? How do I mean? Now, metal, Ca. Ca is a metal, calcium, combined with what? Oxygen is what? A base. Are you following? Na combined with what? Is what? Is a base. Do you get that? Now, we also have ZnO is what? A base. MgO is what? A base. So any metal that combine with oxygen is what? A base. Any hydroxide that combine with either non-metal or metal is what? A base. For instance, CaOH is what? A base. NaH3OH is what? A base. NaOH is what? Is what? A base. Do you understand? So base are formed as what? Metal, hydroxide, and what? Oxide. So anytime you see this kind of thing, because there are some questions I've just seen that they brought out some acid, they brought out some salt, they brought out some of these base mixed together. They now ask you identify what? A base. So a base is oxide, hydroxide, and what? Metal. They form what we call what? A base. Do you understand? Now this base, there is what we call alkali. Now, alkali is a basic hydroxide that are soluble in water. Any basic hydroxide that is soluble in water is what? Is an alkali. Basic hydroxide must be what? Basic hydroxide, not basic oxide. Basic what? Hydroxide, like this one. Basic hydroxide that are what? Soluble in water is what? An alkali. So all alkali are base, but not all base are what? Alkali. Remember, all alkali are what? Bases. Not all alkali are what? So not all bases are what? Are alkali. For instance, CaOH. This one is not an alkali, because we have said that an alkali must be what? A basic hydroxide. So we need to add what? OH here. But then the formula will be what? 2. This one is partially soluble. So those who do salt analysis, this one is partially soluble, but we refer it to as what? Alkali. But the major alkali is what? The major alkali is NaOH. This one is very, very soluble in water, because we have said that an alkali is a basic hydroxide that are what? Soluble in water. We also have KOH. You can see that this one, Na is in group 1. Ka is what? In group 1. So they are all group 1 metal of what? Hydroxide are very, very soluble. So they are referred to as alkali. Even NH3OH is what? Is very, very soluble. Do you get that? It's a soluble alkali. But the one of higher metals like calcium hydroxide, that are what? Not too soluble. Not too soluble. MgOH, they are not what? Too soluble. So If you see this kind of thing, you should be able to identify what base and what alkali is. Please and please, if you don't understand any topic that you want me to treat before your exams, drop it on the comment section. As you watch, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel or Mike TV. Or as you watch on Facebook, don't forget to follow me.